vai agora. Depois você pode tirar o
Maria, ó, que é de jacaré, menino. Qual que é jacaré aí, gurizada? Você não sabe que é jacaré, não. Já viu isso aqui, ó? Isso aqui é o Pantanal do Mato Grosso, sabe? Pantanal do Mato Grosso aí, gurizada. Olha o que é jacaré. E não, Curitiba.
In my own commentary.
Ja, David Attenborough is best.
Oh my god. Unbelievable this.
The best thing I've seen in my life.
I'm surprised. I didn't think I'd ever do this.
来，兄弟们，隔壁村的张大爷告诉我，这里面有一条非常奇怪的鱼，他什么都要吃。我给他准备了条鸡腿，看他会不会吃下去啊？看他会不会跟着我走？看，哇，这个好厉害呀、他已经要冲过来了。我
You guys see something right there? What the hell is that? The bug fell off the ceiling and he's like on my face. Think he's real? Oh, he is real.
No, está tratando de sacar la cabeza de los colmillos.
Mira mi sabro.
Pero cabeza... Salvo que no le clavan el colmillo de frente. Tú vas que lo agarró el lado.
Un colmillo que tiene esa baba. Llega ahí. Lo tiene
La boa está estrangulando cada vez más.
bárbaro. Mira como prensa los anillos. ¿Viste que eso es por los
Debe quedar en la mano, lo he dicho. No, la boa está tratando de sacar desde la cabeza, de la mandíbula. La boa está lista, la otra la boa también está atorada en la... No me hiciste. Mira cómo la está partiendo, ¿han hecho?
Se le hace más y la fractura y la parte en dos. No, me está pensando.
Así que ella no sabe que si ella le prensa la cabeza también se clavan los colmillos.
Si era, si le prensa la cabeza, si le cierra la trompa, la vuelta de noche.
I bought a couple coops, I bought a couple Panameras. I'm acting like a free band gang terrorist. Red couple lean, don't approach me like a giant.
This is the closest thing to a Komodo dragon I've ever been to.
This is a black dragon, a Varana Salvatore, aka the Kamani Salvatore, black dragon from Indonesia. It's a carnivorous species of monitor lizard, the third largest species in the world. The first is Komodo dragon, the second is a crocodile monitor, and the third is the Asian water monitor. These guys are beasts. Look at them. He's about 8 feet long, full tail and everything. Beautiful specimen. He's ripping my jacket because he's super strong. Now these guys pack a mean bite, but he's really sweet because he was raised the proper way. He has great enclosures and great people in his corner. Look at this beast. He's got to weigh over close to 100 pounds. I don't want him to scratch my face. Oh my God. This is the best thing I've had in a long time. So I go take a bath or a shower. And look who's taking a bath still. Boy, it's been like a couple of hours. Can I take a shower? It's like 3 o'clock in the morning, buddy. And you got Rubber Ducky with you. Hey there, buddy. How's it going? You are old and handsome. Look at your shell. It looks so good. You've been taking great care of it. You okay, buddy? You look like an elephant with a shell. That's exactly what you remind me of. A beautiful elephant with a shell. If anybody hasn't told you you're handsome today, you're handsome as hell. And I love you. Be a good boy out here. You breed with them big, old, sexy, big turtle-shelled females. Sorry, big tortoise-shelled females. And you make some more babies. Help your species.
All day jugging on my trap phone, getting on my nerves, switch to airplane mode, selling hella drugs to a patient. Young nigga trapping out the baby. Stupid little bitch wanna front.
To knock you to the floor, yeah. Let's go blow for blow, yeah. Let's go toe to toe. When it's time to battle, they don't never ever show. When it's time to battle, I'm the first one at the door, with a Draco. Don't nobody move, I don't wanna have to blow. Rapping that.
Put my camera down.
Pero eso no se puede meter nadie. O sea, no se puede meter nadie. Bueno, ese es el que le jodió la nalga a la doña.
Bueno, cuando se puede meter la habla de la puma, pero ya cuando entre, así se...
Y no puedo subir. Ahí está. No, pero no lo maten, porque o sea, si ustedes dicen que no.
Bueno, Cyrus se entiende, además solo ve 2 personas alrededor, o sea, se inquieta,
Nosotros le metemos la hora de Cyrus porque ya tengo confianza, pero él, no cuando él se sube.
Cuando él sube.
Cuando él sube, no lo va a
metemos rápido y...
Pero es ya, sí tiene la adrenalina.
Es que estaba aquí en la aula, la grande.
No, ese es el ya.
Estaba